Hello and welcome to our review of the 2.4 GHz wireless mice with USB receiver Gamer 2000 DPI mouse. In this review, we will cover the pros and cons of this product, as well as its specifications and features. First, let's talk about the product's description. The 2.4 GHz wireless mice with USB receiver Gamer 2000 DPI mouse is a mini adapter plug-and-play mouse that is portable and lightweight, making it easy to carry in store. It has adjustable gear settings, giving you a more convenient and quick gaming experience, and it also has 6 keys, including scroll wheel, page forward, and page backward buttons for easy internet surfing. Its photoelectric resolution is 1600 dpi, and it uses a USB interface. The product requires 2 AAA batteries, which are not included, and it comes in 2 colors, black and red. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons of the product. On the positive side, the 2.4 GHz wireless mice with USB receiver Gamer 2000 DPI mouse is wireless, which means you won't have to worry about cords getting in your way. It also has back and forward buttons that can be programmed to do different things, as well as a Go to DPI button, which is a convenient feature for gamers. However, there are several cons to this product. Firstly, the mouse burns through batteries very quickly, which can be costly and inconvenient. Secondly, the left button has a double-click problem, which can be frustrating. Thirdly, the scroll wheel frequently malfunctions, and finally, the product is not very durable and breaks easily. Additionally, there are many other brand name mice that are similar to this one, so it may not be the best option on the market. In terms of a tip for this product, we recommend using reverse image search to see who the sellers are, as there are many companies that sell the same product. In conclusion, based on the pros and cons we've covered, we would advise against purchasing the 2.4 GHz wireless mice with USB receiver Gamer 2000 DPI mouse. The product has some useful features, but the cons outweigh the pros, and there are many other similar products on the market that may be a better fit for your needs.